Welcome to Trina's Motivation, guys. This is what we're having today: mackerel and rice, and we're going to put like a sweet corn to it. We're going to show you how we make that food here. We're going to do a simple dish today. So we're going to do 2 cups of rice. So this is 1 cup rice. We're going to do 2 cups. We're actually using Grace long grain rice. Pour it out in this. Next thing we're going to do is wash our rice. I don't know how you wash your rice, but I like to wash it until the water is clear. Alright? Notice all the water is a bit white now. So this is how I wash my rice. Then you kind of throw off this one like this. So I wash my rice all 4 times. I like to see when the water gets white, clear. Yeah. So we're gonna do this about 3 more times to make sure it's nice and clean. What I love with the rice, I don't need to pick anything out. This rice is already nice and clean. I really love using the Grace rice, to be honest. That works for me so much. So this is the second time. You notice the water getting clear. So that's what we want. When we finish washing it, it's almost like you can see the rice right through it. We're gonna go again. Alright, so now that we're finished, we're gonna put, it is said that 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. So we're gonna put 3 cups. Now this is 1.25 cup. You can actually put 1.25 depending on how much you want your rice to be shelly. You can decide to do that. Alright, I think this is enough. I normally just judge it just because I'm showing you guys why I'm using this, but I normally just judge it, just have the water just a little bit above the rice. Alright, maybe about a 1/4 inch. This is a 1/4 inch from here to here above the rice. And then we go. So we're gonna put this on our stove and add the other things to it. So we're going in with the salt. This is about a teaspoon. I'm gonna go in with the butter. And then what we will do is cover. My stove is about a little bit high, but once it starts boiling, I'm going to put it on medium heat. What's happening? Alright, so we turn our flames down a bit. The water is all out. We're going to cover it, put something else on it so it can steam it and cook. And notice the water is all gone. So what you can do, you could add a little water if it's not cooked. So depending, you can add a little water. So you must test it and know whether or not it is ready. Mine don't really want any water. So I'm going to just leave it, let it simmer down a little bit more. And then we will be ready. The stove is down very low. You're going to put your stove on low flames now. There it is, extremely low. And you cover your pot for another 10 minutes, you are ready. What's happening? Oh my god. Rice ready. Look on that, guys. You see that? I'm telling them, man, a social rice cooking. You don't need no water. Right? Now, over here, we're going to serve them up with some mackerel. But we are cooked down all of the seasoning first. Now we are going to put in this mackerel. Yeah, man. Alright, so we add a little black pepper, we add a little ketchup because our barbecue sauce is finished. What you can add to this, guys, you can add your barbecue sauce and let me tell you some, man. That's a ton up. Right? We're going to just leave this to cook down a little bit. Right? So that everything is warm and nice. We're going to add a little surprise to it. Wait and you see the surprise. So let's see what's in there. finish. Sweet corn. We're going to plate him up now. So there it is, guys. My mackerel and rice. Serve up with some sweet corn. My. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this.